Hi everyone. I've called you here today first to acknowledge the work you've done and how far we've come over the past 3 years due to your hard work and commitment to kids. And secondly, I want to highlight what we are going to be doing moving forward to continue this work. First, our first year in 2015, we began not with extra days or time to build a school year or curriculum, but having to sift through the remnants of your flooded and destroyed classrooms and unpack boxes into empty rooms and try to build them into inviting learning environments for our students. And you all persevered. In 3 years, we've made tremendous gains and we're heading in the right direction. But we still have more boxes to unpack. Fortunately, these are figurative boxes. We've done a great job meeting the social emotional needs of our students, and now we need to focus on their academic needs. I know we don't want to be the school who teaches to the test, but data should be driving our teaching. And in order to avoid being driven by only one measurement, the CASP test, we need to start creating our own. Moving forward, I'm going to ask you to do this by forming grade level PLCs. PLCs, or professional learning committees, will help us better ensure that our students will leave us with the skills needed to meet the demands of their careers and education beyond our walls. How can we better support our low performing students like Addie and Cisco in their efforts to learn? What formative assessments can we include to help define a path of improvement for them? And what about our high performers, such as James and Haven? What techniques do our colleagues use to help motivate them that others could also use? How can we better measure not only what, but how much our students are learning via project-based learning? In short, what can we do to ensure that rather than simply a ticket out of high school, our diploma is a ticket through the doors of opportunity? In your PLCs, you'll have ongoing dedicated time to identify and measure 4 targets. First, what standards your students will be learning. Second, how you'll know what your students are learning. And third and fourth, how to respond to, engage, and support students who aren't learning the skills, and how to do that for students who are learning the skills. My role is to support you in this endeavor. To begin, I'll provide your teams with a calendar of time dedicated to your PLC work, the 4 guiding questions I just mentioned, and guidance on how to set team collective commitments. And together, we'll address the 7 stages of teacher collaboration and 3 characteristics of purposeful PLC work, as well as watch and analyze a video of a functioning PLC. Based on what you've done in 3 short years, I have total faith in your ability to continue to move us forward. I can't wait to celebrate our continued growth and dedication to making our students true mavericks who are skilled enough to successfully conquer their next adventure and who will proudly carry their diplomas through many doors of opportunity. Thank you.